What if I tell you that you get only 240 days in 1 year, not 365? But I get 365 days, you get only 240 days. You will say, sir, this is unfair, isn't it? But yeah, that's exactly what happens to most of the people. Now, here is a thing you should know. When the whole world is idling, lazing off, you can utilize that time to grow and go 10 years ahead of them. Now, how is that possible? Let's take two friends, Ram and Shyam. Ram, on a weekend, is very busy with whatever he likes, while Shyam goes and spends, say, 500 rupees on a nice dinner with his friend and comes back. So that 500 rupees is gone, right? Now, while Ram did what? He used that 500 rupees to invest on his brain. So the food which Shyam ate, it gave him pleasure for an hour or for a few minutes, and then that money is gone. While Ram invested that 500 rupees on his brain, he learned a new skill. He added some new values to his brain, and now he's ready to invest that new skills which he learned in the weekend to his career, to his CV, to his resume. That is the difference between Ram and Shyam. That is the difference between me and other people. That is the difference between you and other people. Remember, whole of the world takes a weekend off, right? But do you know what is the secret of success of Shekhar Suman? I'm not boasting. My secret of success is because I work. I love my work and I work. And when I do that, what happens? Just imagine, in a month, there are 4 weekends, that means 8 days. So in a year, there is 100 days, 96 days, roughly 100 days, right? That's why I said, I'm getting 365 days, you are getting 265 days. Now, if I continuously work like this for 5 years, while I have energy, like suppose when I was 19 and till 24, so that 5 years. So now in 5 years, I am 500 days ahead of others, correct? Because I worked 100 days extra per year compared to others. So that is where now others are thinking, how did he achieve while we could not? The secret is hustle on the weekends, okay, and apply it into the weekdays. Innovate in the weekends, apply it into your weekdays. See, you are a student, but who said you can't grow? Who said you have to limit your potential to the university syllabus? You don't need to. All you have to do is invest that 2 days not into restaurant food. Invest that 2 days on your brain, because your brain is always going to be with you. See, this video, the moment it ends, you're going to close and this video will never be with you. But whatever I said, if it remains with you, that is what will make you unique, different, and achiever. So in 1 year, you can be 100 days ahead of others. In 5 years, you can be 2.5 years ahead of others. In 10 years, you will be 5 years ahead of others. That's the kind of maths. If you work on the weekends, if you don't take rest. But you will be like, sir, Saturday, Sunday is meant to be for relaxation. For regular public, that is for relaxation. For a person who wants to be an achiever, work is relaxation. If you love your work, if you love whatever you're doing, that is relaxation. You're enjoying it. Right? Many people enjoy gymming while others take it as a burden. Many people enjoy eating, right? While others take it as a okay calorie. Same way, if you're enjoying your studies, if you're enjoying your passion, if you're enjoying creating a biotech company, if you are enjoying preparing for any exam, so that becomes your hustle, right? Remember, law of attraction can get you a few pennies, but when you hustle on the weekend, innovate on the weekend, and apply and implement in the weekdays, that's how you grow. That's the secret of success of Biotechnica. That's the secret of success of every student who is going to hustle in the weekend. Okay. So if you're a 19-year-old, this is my advice. Do not relax on the weekends. Weekends are not for relaxation. Weekends are for hustle. Okay. It can be a side hustle. It can be a side job. It can be a part-time job. It can be some freelancing. It can be something you can utilize. But all that experience will come back to you 15 years later. Okay. I always thank God that I have all the experience of all these part-time jobs and stuff I did to support Biotechnica. Okay, I have even worked in cyber cafe because I could not afford internet, so I worked in a cyber cafe and I said, "Don't pay me salary, allow me to use internet." Even I have done that, but all the learnings of that today I'm an expert. Same thing I'm telling you. Hustle on the weekends, innovate on the weekends, and then you grow in the weekdays. You can get ahead by 5 years ahead of others if you follow this mantra. And if you want to do that, here is a mantra. Here is something which I can tell you. Biotechnica has a lot of weekend courses, certification courses, internship programs, workshops which happen on a weekend. Right? You can always apply there. You can always learn from there. New skill set. You never know how and when that particular skill set will be used, right? So if you are a youngster out there listening to this video, remember, you can get ahead of not just your classmates, not just of your professors, not just of the scientists. You can reach the level of senior scientist if you hustle on the weekends. Okay, so this is my message to you. Remember, you are born to be bigger than what you think you are. Always think that whatever you will do in this industry is going to be a history. You are going to be a destiny maker of the future young Indians of this country. For that, whatever actions you take today, whatever decisions you make today has to have seriousness. Don't take it lightly. Don't allow money to limit you. Okay? Instead, hustle. Instead, work hard. Instead, learn new skills. Instead, invest in your brain. So that's a summary, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. And if yes, if you're working on a weekends, ping me because I do, and we'll have a chit chat. All the best. Take care. Bye bye.